So this is Jasmine Estates. It is located pretty centrally to the middle of Melbourne, actually. There are only 24 homes in the whole 24 homes in the whole community. And as you can see, it's just really well maintained. And there is the home that is going to be for sale here very soon. And this is the beautiful 4151 Anlow Road right here, central Melbourne. You can see the beautiful house. And we're gonna take you inside. Okay, we gotta go take a look inside at this magnificent house. Look at just the impressive view that you get when you walk in. It has 11-foot ceilings, and where there's a tray, it's 12-foot ceilings. It is just massive and impressive and just amazing. So right when you first walk in, there's the double French doors. We have our first guest bedroom. Every bedroom has a bath. It's a 4-bedroom house, 4-bath house. Okay, again, tall ceilings even in the bathrooms. Just so impressive. Okay, we're gonna go here to the left. This is the main master. This house actually has 2 masters in it. And again, you can see the tray ceiling. Here's the first master. 11, 12-foot ceilings. Great size rooms. And then we walk into the master bath. We have 2 closets, 1 on each side. Lots of space in all the closets. And then we have our huge, massive bathroom here. We have a roll-in shower, which is always appreciated, and one of our sit-down bathtubs here. Double sinks. And again, the super tall ceilings. Okay. Then we come into the gorgeous dining room. Look at the chandelier, the tray ceiling. Okay. And we walk around the corner here. But before I show you the kitchen, here is the laundry room. Washer and dryer is included. Again, the tall ceilings. 2 closets, 1 on each side. And this is the garage, which yes, has a lot of stuff in it right now, but it is a 3-car garage, and the golf cart comes with the home. Right, so coming off of this, now we walk into this impressive kitchen. This video cannot even do this kitchen justice. It is gorgeous. The cabinets are gorgeous. Look at how much countertop space there is. Island, stainless steel, everything. Look again how much counter space there is over there. Double ovens. And of course the tall ceilings. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And then we'll walk around the corner here. This is our second master suite. Tray ceiling again. With its own huge master bath. 2 closets off to the side. This one has a garden tub. Really tall ceilings. Just a little bit of a lip on this shower, but not much. Huge shower. Double sinks with the gorgeous cabinets again. And yep, nice size toilet area. Okay. So then coming back out of the second master suite, we come into the living room, which of course is just connected directly to this awesome kitchen. Look at this fireplace. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Huge tray ceiling. Covers almost the entire living room. Okay. Then we have one more bedroom off to the side here, which currently is being used as an office. And what's really great, I gotta show you this. Security system, and yes, the security system will be left with the home. So it is a smaller bedroom, but it is perfect for an office and has a nice size closet as well. And it also has a bathroom off to the side, which is also the pool bathroom. So here's the pool. Okay, I'm gonna walk around this way, however. So you can see this side of the living room. We're gonna go outside to the pool area. Okay. So this is the deck, the outside deck. This is absolutely gorgeous again. And here is this beautiful pool. Look at this pool. It's a nice heated pool run by electric. Oh, we haven't even talked about the electric. There's solar panels on, and the electricity in this house is practically nothing, even with the electric heater on. It's amazing. So we'll go over this side, and here's the electric heater, AC panel. Okay. It's on 0.57 acres. Okay. This right here, this is gonna have a fence that will be put up, so it'll be blocking the view. Okay. And that's the home. Okay, thank you so much. So if you have any questions, please make sure to make the wise choice and give me a call today. Thanks so much.